Welcome back to Answers, everyone. It looks like VXRT had a major spike going to pre-market. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue and have that major breakout that we're looking for, as VXRT has been consolidating for quite a while. And also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss out on them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go to the 5-minute chart with you guys here on VXRT, as we have been consolidating and breaking into new highs throughout the day, but not breaking above this $10 mark, however. So I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue and have a major breakout, what exactly has to happen for us to have this momentum that we're looking for to have this breakout again. I'm going to back up to the 4 hour so you guys can see what we're looking at overall. We're actually looking pretty nice on the 4 hour. I'm going to show you guys exactly what has to happen for us to continue though. But however, again, if you guys want to see all our penny stock breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert today. Again, we also do mention stocks like AMC, VXRT. We mentioned GNOG this morning at 5:15 a.m. since they are going to be possibly getting acquired by DKNG to possibly have a major breakout. I did go over that video also in the video before our AMC video that I posted before this video. So if you guys want to see those updates, go in the videos before this and you guys can see those chart updates and exactly how I would play into those. Again, we have a lot of good buy pressure and volume alerts that I do set throughout these videos. And in my opinion, it's very helpful for catching a lot of these stocks before they break out. So I definitely would be checking out these videos if you guys are trying to learn more of how to use the MACD and how to use volume and how exactly people find these breakouts before they happen. So again, if you guys want to see our breakouts, go to instables.com in the description below. You guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here, we have been consolidating here on the 20-day moving average, bouncing off of the 50-day moving average, looking to see if we can bounce off the 50-day moving average one more time going to tomorrow and break into that $10 mark. Now, I'm going to back up to the 4 hour with you guys here so you guys can see what we're looking at overall and exactly why this one looks pretty nice. As you guys can see, we do have the 20-day moving average curling up here, showing us that we could get that momentum. As you guys can see here, we have been consolidating for quite a while. We had this major spike previously all the way up to $24.70, and we have been consolidating for quite a while. And as you guys can see here, we did have a spike up to around this $11 mark, and we did have a continuation consolidation since then. And we do have the 20-day moving average showing us that we could have that momentum. And I do like how we have been increasing in volume throughout the day. Again, we had a major spike going to pre-market. We could have a continuation. I like the momentum here. Again, holding over $10 will be very key going to tomorrow. And breaking above this $11 mark, as you guys can see here, is very key for us. As you guys can see, we broke into $11 previously. We came back down, and we could not hold the body of the candle above this $10.75 mark. So breaking over $10.75, in my opinion, breaking over this wick here at $11 to have that confirmation on this breakout would be very key for us. So breaking over that $10 mark is very key, and then breaking over 11 is very key for us. As you guys can see, we have been decreasing in volume. We're looking to see if we can continue with volume going to tomorrow and have a continuation. As you guys can see, we have been picking up a volume today, but we need a lot more volume to have this major breakout. As you guys can see, we got rejected on this volume that we did have all the way at this point previously. So to break above this $11 mark that we are looking for with the body of the candle, we need a lot of volume coming into tomorrow, which we do like the increase in volume, and we do like how the 20-day moving average is curling up here, showing us a lot of momentum to have this possible breakout. As you guys can see here on the MACD, we do have a lot of buy pressure recently. As you guys can see, we are decreasing in sell pressure overall. As you guys can see, we are going to be looking to see if we can break above this buy pressure point as well, in my opinion, to have more momentum into the stock. So again, as you guys can see here on the 4 hour, I would be setting my alert right above this buy pressure point. So that way, if it does break above it, then we could see a lot of momentum coming into the stock. But again, that is only because we have the nice setup coming along with it. If we did set our alert previously at this point, then we would not have as much of a momentum play because the setup isn't as nice as it was now, because we have the 20-day moving average holding above the 50, showing us that we could continue. And again, that $11 mark is very key for us to have that buy pressure point breaking above, in my opinion. And as you guys can see, we had that major buy pressure point at this point. So in my opinion, breaking above this buy pressure point would give us some momentum, but to have a major breakout, we need to make sure we can break above our previous buy pressure point when we did hit that $11 mark. So I would be setting my next alert right above this buy pressure point to have this continuation and major breakout. As you guys can see, breaking into that $10 mark going to tomorrow or going to this week, we're gonna be looking to see if we can break above this buy pressure point here. But to have that major breakout that we're looking for, we need to make sure we do break above that 11 mark that we did have previously at this buy pressure point. So if we can break above that, then we could get the momentum that we're looking for here on VXRT. Again, VXRT has been previously all the way at that $24 mark, and we're gonna be looking to see if we can possibly get that major continuation with VXRT. So VXRT definitely on the watch to hold over this $10 mark, but again, breaking over that $11 mark with that momentum and confirmation is exactly what I'll be looking for. And again, this is not financial advice, this is only what I'll be doing. But again, if you guys want to see all these penny stock breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. and you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert again. And of course, we also do mention stocks like these, VXRT, because VXRT is VXRT. There's a lot of consolidation. There's a lot of momentum that is possibly going to break out here. And we definitely have to make sure we do alert stocks like these if they're going to have volatility like this as a possible breakout. Again, this is only something that I'm having to watch, not something that I'm going to be buying into for this breakout that's going to happen in the next week. I'm going to be waiting for this confirmation here on the charts. Make sure we do get confirmation. Make sure we do let the play come to us, and make sure we play patient. And again, everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, much love to every one of you guys as always. You guys are the best. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.